Hi, I'm Manuel Poyatos. I am a research and development engineer here in Centro Tecnológico Metalmecánico de Transporte, also known as Cetemet, here in Linares. And we are now using the Meltio M450 for researching projects about some materials, some of the materials that you can use in the printing.
My name is Julia Ureña. I'm PhD in Material Science and Engineering. I'm working now in Cetemet as a co-coordinator of the Advanced Materials Department. Me, together with Manuel Poyatos, we are involved in different research projects at European and also national level. And we are employing the Meltio technology, the laser metal deposition for 150, just to develop new materials and making new research. Our positive things regarding Meltio is that we are located in the same city, so we can reach them easily, and they are always open to help us. So we have like a very close relationship. Also, we have some kind of collaboration regarding the developing of new process parameters for new alloys. So I think it's a good collaboration between the technology between us, which are a technology center, and Meltio, which is a company. So I think this is the positive thing. And maybe the aspect to improve. I don't know, maybe Manu can explain a bit better about the technology itself. Yeah.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think that in my opinion, some aspects to improve are related to the technology, such as the position of the screen and something more technological aspect than not an aspect, a company aspect, you know. I don't know if you are meaning is the meaning of the question or not, but maybe to improve some aspect in the machine in the model M450 could be a new system for the wire feed system, and the positioning screen is a little bit uncomfortable to work with the machine.
The repetitivity in metal printing is something that is very important from the point of view of the final process, because if you want to achieve like a trust process, you need to qualify every single step. So, and there are a lot of variables that influence in the printing process, especially with metals. So I think one important thing is like to qualify the process for each different materials, for each different alloys. Yes, I think it's a technology that you can make research and also produce parts relatively with a low cost price. So yeah, I think from this point of view, this technology is very useful because it's a small machine, and so it's like a very versatile. You can make a research with a lot of metals and with wire that you can acquire at not so expensive, maybe as a powder with other technology. Of course, you need to have a balance, but yeah, I think it's useful. At this point, mostly we are performing research, so we don't have any developed use case, but we are on the way. We are exploring different combinations, also multi-materials. So at the moment we are characterizing the materials from mechanical test, also microstructural, from the point of view of material properties, because we need to be sure that we process a proper material with the required properties and then develop the use case. Now we are in, in the middle of some projects, and at the end, it is expected to process the use case. But at this moment, we are working mostly from the point of view of the material properties. I think the ideal way to collaborate is through a research project, because we are a technological center and Meltio is a company. So I think there are a lot of calls at the national and European levels to collaborate. So I think this is the most valuable way to collaborate, like making a big consortium where we can collaborate together.
We have tried in the agro sector with some piece to try to improve the cost of the manufacturing of these pieces, and we are trying to use this technology for some welding process. Other welding process than the print process, and I don't know if Julia thinks another thing.
Yeah, I think Manuel is right. We developed like a very. I think we are interested in the agro sector, but also in the tooling in the tooling still, because we print a tool for our robot. So let's say that it's an internal use case. It's an internal development, and yeah, I think for tooling and in the agro sector, it could be also interesting. Our wishes will be to have a strong software integrated in the Meltio, because at this moment it's like we are having two different software. One, the older one, which is especially designed for one thing, and now we are trying the new one, but it's like specifically for another things. So yeah,
the improvement of the Meltio horizon is the most important thing, I think, to develop.